loves, today we are going to be making fried okra and white rice. Basically, it's okra stew and white rice. We have the chopped onions right here. I already cut these ones. And this is red bell pepper. This one is optional. You don't have to use this. You can use fresh red pepper, the spicy kind. But I like the color, so I'm going to use the red pepper. And also this one too, you can grind if you want. No. You can't eat that honey right now, baby. You're about to eat food. And this is the red pepper right here that I'm about to use. I'm sorry, guys. This is the seasoning, my seasoning right here I'm going to use. This is it, guys.
This is sweet.
Yeah. This is cayenne pepper, guys, that I'm going to use. That's why I'm not making the fresh pepper. I'm going to be using cayenne pepper. And I have my oil right here. Vegetable oil we're going to be using. Over here I have 4 packs of okra. Today I'm going to be using the one from the store. It's already cut down. Sometimes I buy the one that's fresh. I just cut it down myself. Or sometimes I just use this. Or you can buy the one from the store. You cut it yourself. It's up to you. I have 4 packs of this, guys. This is it. And I have the chicken. The chicken is already boiled. But this is the chicken I use right here. Chicken party wings. But you can use any meat of your choice.
Mama.
Sometimes I use... No, baby. You can't have that. Sometimes I use fish and beef and chicken. But yeah, you can use anything of your choice. But like I said, you can use beef and chicken or beef, fish and chicken or anything. Crab, shrimps. But today we're going to use chicken wings today. And this is my rice right here, guys. This is my jasmine rice, guys. I have jasmine rice right here. You like rice? I do too. And then over here, guys, this is our pot. I have the pot ready for us right here. And as you can see back there, that's the chicken. It's already boiled. Okay, guys, this is the chicken that I already boiled. As you can see, the chicken party wings. And you can use any meat of your choice, like I said, guys. Any meat of your choice, guys, you can use. But the chicken is done, so we're going to move this back here, guys. And we're going to move our pot back over here. I just want to show you guys real quick. We're going to move our pot back over here, guys. As you can see. Let me see, I'm trying to get a nice view for you guys. Okay, I just went ahead and pour some oil on there. Not a lot, just a little bit. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of stuff. You can use palm oil too if you want, but I'm gonna use oil today. I switch up, guys. You can use anything of your choice. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the onions in, guys. You can even chop your onions down a little smaller than this if you want. It's up to you, guys. It's really up to you. It's up to you, guys. Let me get my spoon from over here. That's my spoon I just got from the chicken. We're gonna mix this. We're gonna go ahead and let these onions fry down all the way. You know, before the okra and the meat's going. You know, all that good stuff. Well, like I said, remember what I said. You can grind yours if you want, or beat yours, whatever you want. Like in this thing that we use back home. Or you can just cut them down like this. Sometimes I grind mine, sometimes I just fry mine. But I prefer mine like this. And it tastes very good. Trust me, guys. You make these like this, when you go to anywhere you cook it. If you're cooking for a friend, or you're cooking it for a party and take it to a get together, African party, or any kind of party, trust me guys, they're gonna be running after your food. They're gonna be like, oh my god, this food tastes so good, who cooked this food? Then you're gonna be hearing people talking about your food. Like, you're gonna get up and say, what food they talking about? Next thing you know, it's your food they're talking about. People gonna be like, you should try that food. That okra soup tastes good. Or this tastes good. This tastes good. I'm not just saying it, guys. My food tastes good when I cook. They love it. Those are blessing hands. So, you follow this step, it's good. Okay, it's very good. God is my witness. I'm not gonna lie about this. You follow this step, people are gonna be wondering who food is that tastes good. Even the older people are going to be getting up to go see why people love your food. They're going to be eating it. They're going to be like, oh, you cook this? Like, yeah, I cook this. Which they have asked me before. You cook this? Like, I would have never thought that you cook it. Why? Because I'm a little bit younger than you? No, it doesn't matter your age or whatever. Cook is cook. My mama know how to cook. My grandma can cook, so I got it from them. Trust me, guys. You cook this for your man, your husband, your fiance, boyfriend, whatever. He's going to fall in love with you. He's going to want you to cook more and more and more and more for him. He's my fact. He's going to put his mama food away. He want to eat your food. You guys hear my son in the background? He said, like I ain't put my mama food away. He loves my cooking, guys. You can't wait to eat this right now. But we're going to go ahead and let this fry down, guys. And I'll see you guys later, okay? Okay, loves. You can see the onions is half cooked. I'm about to go ahead and put in my okra. This is the okra right here. I already took it apart and washed it. This is the bags it came out of. Wash them. And make sure you wash your okra, guys. I took this thing out of it. These are the sticks and stuff. You can see. These are the sticks. And then that's all of it. All those hard sticks. So make sure you wash your onion. First take the things out there and wash it. You know, because you wasn't there when they prepared that, guys. You see, this is it. I'm about to go ahead and put it in now.
Oh, that was cheese nickels. That might be the sauce.
Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. I'll let it cook down a little bit, then after that we're going to let it finish. This is my seasoning. I'm going to take my spoon out. Trust me, it's going to be so good, guys. We're going to go ahead and put in our spice, as you guys can see. Because that's something you want to put in early. You know, cayenne pepper. And this is not one of those regular cayenne pepper. This is the hot, spicy cayenne pepper. Usually when I cook it like this, when somebody see these little peppers in here, they know, they think it's very spicy. The ones who like it spicy, they do. They don't mind. But the ones that like, is it real spicy? I like, nah. And they taste it. So it's very good. We're going to let it finish cooking, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of water into it. Not a lot, just a little bit. We're going to mix this just to make it fry. So just a little bit of water, guys, not a whole lot. Remember, we're making okra stew, not okra soup. Okay, we're going to let this cook down some more, and I'm going to add my little chicken, okay? About 5 minutes, I'm going to add my chicken, because this chicken is already done, guys. Okay, guys, I'm about to go ahead and add the chicken. This is the chicken from this pot over here. Sorry, guys. Go ahead and add it in, and we're going to let everything boil, guys. Chicken is already done. It looks good and it smells real good, guys. Smells so good. It smells good.
Yeah.
Like I say, guys, you can use any meat of your choice. Fish, beef, you can use cow beef, goat's beef, anything. Shrimp, crab, you can use cow skin. We're gonna go ahead and let this fry about a good 5 minutes, and that's it, guys. You can see it's meats in here. We love our meats.
Yeah, that's our meat.
I don't want no plain okra. Okay, guys. Guys, look at that. It looks so good. It's nice and done. You see that? That food look perfect, delicious. Trust me, if you try this, they're gonna love it. They're gonna be licking their finger. Look at that.
I lick my fingers.
Look how juicy that food look. Guys, tell me that don't look good. Make you wanna bite your fingers. But anyway, I'm about to dish our plates out. I'll see you guys, okay? Okay, guys, this is the finished look. That's my sun plate I just fixed. This is the rice right here, and that's the okra I put at the top. And that's my plate over there, as you can see. I like my rice on the side and my okra next to it, you see. Hope you guys can see, guys. This is it. That's my plate right there. You see how I got mine? Just like that, guys. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail, guys. My light's acting up on me. Okay. That's my plate right there, and that's his plates over there now. Okay. Okay, loves. I got done. My youngest are sleeping, my husband is sleeping, but my oldest son is up. We're about to go ahead and eat this food. Lord, we thank you for this food we're about to receive, and bless the hand that prepared this food from Jesus and pray, amen.
Amen.
We're gonna taste just one bite for you guys, yo, because I am so hungry, guys. This is it, guys. This is it. It's so good. I tell you,
This is awesome.
you hear from my older son. This is favorite food. One of his favorite food. He like jollof rice too. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. God bless you guys so much. For my new subscriber, welcome. For my old ones, also welcome. And God bless you. Bye, loves.